Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically go to this like flying point of view on Dress to Impress, so you don't actually have to like jump up if you want to get like a better view, I guess. You can only do this on Freeplay and on your PC. I'm not sure if you can do it on your phone, but press Shift P, and to zoom out, scroll down. To zoom in, scroll up, and you can kind of move the camera like you would by walking, well, by turning around your right click mouse button, and you can kind of like record from like really far away like this by pressing the W and S key, and then A and D to move right or left, of course. And if you want to go higher, you can just go up, and then you can kind of point your camera there. You can kind of see around the map, which I think is pretty cool. But again, I think you can only do this in free play mode. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. To go back, just press Shift P again, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.